I'm gonna show you how to make a QBCore FiveM server in under 10 minutes. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open up your browser, go to XAMPP, download it, and then another thing you have to download, go to this artifact link, download the latest one. Then I have both of these installed, so it shouldn't be that hard. The other two links I'm gonna be putting in here. This QBCore.org is a documentation of everything. It shows you how to do stuff. And then the GitHub is if you mess something up in the files and stuff and you want to restore them, you could download it from here. So what you do is run the exe for the XAMPP, and then once you're done with that, run Apache and MySQL, and then minimize. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open up your file explorer, make a folder called whatever. This is gonna be your server name. So I'm just gonna put YouTube server, enter it, and then make a new folder called server, no caps, and then open up the server.7zip, control A, and then paste it into here. Go to FX server, run anyways. Now it's running, finally. So once this is here, you're gonna link your FiveM account, continue, and then this is optional, backup password. I'll just do this. Just make a backwards password, backup password, not backwards. Register. Let's do YouTube server. Next, popular, QBCore, save, go to the recipe, scroll down. Next, now you need a key. So you're gonna go to obtain one, you're gonna go to this link, sign in with cfx.re, and then you're gonna, let me delete these, deactivate. So generate a new key, enter a name, YouTube QBCore server, generate. So for this, you want the key. So I'll open this, open, copy. Don't show this to anyone. This is gonna be your server key. So now, let me close this, put this, go back to the tab, paste it into here, run recipe. This might take a minute, but let this do its thing. It's installing tasks and stuff like that. And yeah, I will get back to you once this is all finished. Alright, so this is all finished. Press next, then save and run server. Server's gonna run. Then now you could just open up FiveM, and then let this open up. Then now you can see connect to whatever your desktop name is on LAN. Continue. Press OK. I'm gonna minimize all this. If you close this, the server will shut down. So just minimize. Then rejoin YouTube server. Now it's installing all this stuff. So we're loading in. 90%. Should be in a second. Now I'm in. So we could just make our character, validating. This is new. Let's just do this. Gender male. Sure, this. Press OK, make our character. I like to do integrity way, confirm. Now you can make your character. Make your character, stuff like that. Confirm. Now press E, leave apartments. Now you're here in your server. You can, if you do /car in the model name, I'm just gonna do police. The police car will be in. Now you can spawn cars and stuff. I think it's F2. Nope, inventory is tab. This is different. But yeah, that's how you can make a FiveM server in under 10 minutes. So please like and subscribe so I can make more of these. And yeah.